Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Ayana coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, October 21st, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 63 degrees with rain and wind. Now please stand as and sing our nation's pledge.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bears lost last night against the Saints with a score of 25-36. The Blackhawks lost last night against the Capitals with a score of 5-3. There are no announcements today. Clubs meeting today are Battle of the Books grades 5 and 6 will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in room 119. Games and Crafts Around the World Club grades 1 and 2 session A will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in room 104. Geography B Club will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in room 206. Magical Masterpieces will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in the LRC. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are Battle of the Books grades 1 and 2 will meet at 8 a.m. in the LRC. Chess Club will meet at 8 a.m. in room 212. Have a make the most of your Monday.